Interesting days these days. Interesting days. I had a good day today. Even with Bitcoin getting shit on, which I don't feel like I sold like a lot of my Bitcoin because I know I'm re-entering. And you know, with Betty, we're testing Betty, and Betty's been doing well so far. Now, I know there's people that are, I don't know, there's always worms, and people saying that, like, I was saying I made my percentages off my sales log. Like, they were saying I was like, I made 4% of all my money off that, and blah, blah. Like, I made 50% in a day, which I never did. Anyways, here's the lesson for the day. I had about like 30, 40 trades, low trades. Profit was low today. But we were seeing action. There was action. Now, the lesson of the day is the more you let the bot do the work, the better. I might even shut my bot off at nighttime and turn it on in the morning, post morning shitbag rooster. And look, I wouldn't say this is shitbag. I mean, this is only 1, 2, 3%. Now this MCO, we'll call MCO a shitbag. We'll call it a shitbag. Anyways, moral of the story is 5, 6 people. You know, everyone's. I think the profit trailer community overall is okay. We're rather helpful to each other as best we can. I think it's a good community. There's definitely there's a couple trolls. We've had a couple trolls worm into our community here, folks. Listen, nothing is perfect. And by the way, ignore this. I just like keeping my Binance shit on here because I want it to be a part of my total. So hopefully you guys had some trades. Hopefully you're playing around with settings. I don't have all the answers. I'm not saying I do by any means. And you all need to find and listen to your own selves. What we don't need to do, anyone, is put anybody else down. And we need to work together. And that is really the heart and essence of why I'm in crypto and what I fell in love with Bitcoin with, because we have the smartest people and the most good people in the world, purest, and also the worst, the scum and the scammy. And in my opinion, this is like a fight between good and evil, just like any new life, like any new life, like your life. Like mine, and like Betty's, and everything else you do. So we have to fight the good fight. I'm in this to fight the good fight. So I'm not saying I have the best settings by any means. There's things I don't do and things I skip. Sure, whatever. I have my own theories. Y'all have your own. This is all testing too. So if you're expecting to just put some shit in here and let it run and everything's daisies, well, you're in the wrong business. You shouldn't be in any business. There is no business that works like that. Not even the drug business. Or the cupcake business. My honest feelings, I haven't calculated like my gains and stuff. Today, I probably came out like maybe 0 or maybe even -1. I had a beautiful woman that I'm really, really into. We had a good time together today. Not Betty. And so I had a good day. So even if I broke even or I took a 1 or 2% hit, hopefully some of you guys, I don't know, maybe I made like 1 or 2%. Hopefully, yeah, I'd like to hear some feedback from people out there that said they're trying some of my settings or using them. And it's not like I created everything from scratch, from ground up. Like, I only formed off of like a multitude. And I tried things, like I did the EMA spread. Didn't like it for what I'm like tuning with right now. I found like a little niche and I'm working with it. I'm adjusting things. So if you guys have, like, I'm always adjusting. And that's kind of the problem. Sometimes you just have to realize that Betty needs to be free. Well, we have 10 in our DCA here, so hopefully some of this shit changes. Anyways, that's all I have to say. My voice is... I'm running out of my voice. My nose is stuffy. And I just want to reiterate the importance of community, and if any one of you still watching, I appreciate you, and I hope I can keep entertaining everybody, and hopefully, yeah, at least learn a thing or two about fucking profit trailers and changing, you know, trailer queens and trailer bitches. We want to make so much money. You could literally own a trailer lot and pick the finest bitch in the trailer. You want to own your own trailer kingdom and be married to the smoking hot fucking trailer woman. Well, perhaps crypto might be your way in. And with that, oh, let's take a look at CNBC real quick. God, I'm boring you guys to death.
30% loss in the week and a 50% loss on the year. The old saying goes, buy when there's blood in the streets.
Yeah, so now that Bitcoin got pushed down, they're all pro-Bitcoin now. Everyone's pro-Bitcoin now. This is the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5. Yikes! Yikes! It's just shitbagged us. I might set my triggers. 65, that's a 10% push. Gotta set triggers. And make sure the trigger time is set for like an hour. Because if my configured triggers, and maybe some of you guys can help me, I'm not the expert here. I mean, you know, I don't know everything. But I need to set triggers for when Bitcoin goes down 10% within the past hour to do something, whatever the hell it's supposed to do. And on that notion, I'm out.